Uh-oh.
Hey guys, how's it going? One of the things us driving instructors don't often get to teach you is the practical side of driving. Things like how to change a tyre or how to use the emergency triangle properly. Things that don't often crop up on driving lessons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new series to try and tackle some of the main points of how to deal with such an emergency. Just a quick disclaimer with all of this. It is important to remember that cars can be dangerous and that if you're not confident in what you're doing, consult a professional for advice. In today's episode, we're going to be tackling how to jump start the car using a jump pack. So first things first, you need to consult your vehicle handbook to find out the correct way of jump starting your car. So for example, it's shown here, I need to put the red cable to the positive side and the black cable to the earth on the body. Okay, so I'm just quickly going to explain how this essentially works. So I've got our dead vehicle on the left and our powered vehicle on the right, and we've got the battery of our dead vehicle with the positive and negative terminals, and then we've got the ground point as well. On the powered vehicle, or on the power pack, we've got the battery pack itself, again with the positive and negative terminal. So first things first, making sure the vehicles are both switched off. We can start by connecting the positive of the powered vehicle to the positive of the dead vehicle. And then we can attach the negative terminal of the powered vehicle to the ground point on the dead vehicle. Or the jump point, whatever you want to refer to it as. Because the ground on the vehicle is already connected to the negative terminal of the battery, it completes the circuit. And it's basically as simple as that. At this point, you just need to switch on the engine of the powered vehicle so that that can keep itself charging, while it lets power flow to the dead vehicle, which should be ready to start shortly. If you attempt to start the vehicle and it's not quite got enough power yet, just switch it off, wait a little bit longer, and then try again. Okay, so I'm going to take the key out, pop the bonnet, and go get ready to jump. Okay, now with the jump pack turned off, you can connect the positive terminal and the earth. Switch it on, should hear it start to click. There it is. That should be good to start. Once the vehicle's running, we can switch this off, disconnecting the negative first, then the positive.